subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y3S along with the Vivo Y30 smartphone, and it appears to be a rebranded version of earlier launched Vivo Y17 smartphone, but with some changes in terms of design and specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y3S supports a 6.35-inch HD Plus IPS display with 19.3:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y3S features a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie based on FunTouch OS 9 skin on top, and it houses a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.43 by 76.77 by 8.92mm and it weighs around 190.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y3S has been priced in China at 1198 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in dark blue, red and sea breeze color options, and it will go on sale starting from October 26th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y3S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.